Was he in there? Did you make an ID? Yes, with this side telescope, I could see him very well, but he is way in the back of the compound. There are guards with guns and other terrorists that we will have to get through first. Roger 15, we are making entry.
Get the M15s and they blow bombs. They are armed heavy, and we need to get through steel doors.
Yes, sir. They have gunmen in there. Let's blow the door down now. 1, 2, 3. They're shooting at us. Prepare for entry. Fire.
No, take her! No, take her! Osama bin Laden has been found and is dead. May America sleep a little sounder tonight, and may the families feel justice was served.
So proud.